Ensure access to your vehicle and home with first-class key protection. Peace of mind coverage that helps cover the cost to replace your vehicle key in the event that it's lost, damaged, or stolen, with up to $800 per occurrence. It also provides up to $75 towards the cost of taxis and car rentals, as well as up to $100 per occurrence for towing assistance. And it's not just for your car. It also extends to your house keys or any other non-programmable keys on your ring, up to $250 per occurrence, and provides limited benefits towards 24-hour home lockout assistance, including locksmith services. So embrace your journey with peace of mind, even when there's the occasional bump in the road ahead. Contact your Mercedes-Benz dealership for more information on first-class protection products.